Zuckerpuppe in Rosé is catalog number 42. This chestnut mare is 4 years old and bred by Zoom, Florestan 1 and Prince Segelhorst. Descending from one of the most successful Westphalian dam lines, the Addy line, this strong-moving daughter of Zoom enters the Westphalian auction stage. Zuckerpuppe in Rosé is highly interesting for sport and breeding. This prominent line of the Addy produced so far the top sires Estobar NRW of Hubertus Schmidt, Eichendorff of Victoria Max Theurer, Frühlingstraum 1 and 2, Prince Segelhorst, Pilot Dino of Hansi Dreher, Bertoli W of Wolfram Wittig, and the Grand Prix horses Amaretto of Isabel Werth, Baldessarini of Gina Kapellmann-Lüttgemeier, Brioni W and Balmoral W, both ridden by Brigitte Wittig, and Stern, the Grand Prix horse of Hubertus Schmidt.